Hi everyone! Welcome back to Kimberly's Kitchen. To begin with, I want to thank you all so very much for all your support out there. I can't say enough of how much it means to me from the bottom of my heart. And for that reason, I like to share one more recipe with you today. This one is my daughter's favorite. It is ketchup butter rice served with lemongrass Cornish hen on the side of lemon pepper watercress salad. Today I'm going to cook about 5 cups of rice for a serving of 5 ketchup butter rice. The measurement of water should be indicated in your rice cooker. You want to wash your rice well. Usually there are dirty particles inside the rice that you can't see sometimes, and you want to get rid of as much of the protein water as possible so that the water is nice and clear. If you don't have a rice cooker at home, go ahead and cook it on the stove. If you don't know how to do that, I will be more than happy to show you on the upcoming videos ahead. Alright, so for the ketchup butter rice, you will need these fresh ingredients: tomatoes, yellow onions, garlic, scallions, tomato paste, and unsweetened butter. Prep the ingredients by dicing the tomatoes, yellow onions, scallions, and of course the garlic. Alright, so here are all the seasonings that you will need. If you noticed, I like to use a wok. It's got plenty of room for stirring and no spills. So heat up your wok or pan, add oil. Once it's hot, add your minced garlic and stir. Toss in the minced onion and give it a little more stir. Once it's softened and your onion looks somewhat translucent in color, turn the heat down. Add butter and toss in the rice. Stir to mix. Now you want to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, or you can choose to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and give it a good stir. Now you want to season with salt, sugar, a little black pepper, and stir well to mix. Add your diced tomatoes and stir again. Stir until all the ingredients are well blended, and drizzle with scallions. Now that you are finished, go ahead and turn off the heat, put a cover over, and set your rice aside. Meantime, I'm going to go out in the garden and cut myself some fresh lemongrass. Alright, now that we're back in the kitchen, let's prep the chickens. You will need these ingredients: minced garlic, chopped lemongrass. You can choose to pureed, minced, or slice it. You will also need salt, sugar, black pepper, oil, and soy sauce. Go ahead and marinate all these ingredients into the chicken. Make sure it's coated well, inside out. Now covered and set aside for 35 minutes. If you have time, it's best and recommended that you marinate these chickens overnight for best result in flavor. While the chicken is bathing in the marinade, you could grate the lemon rind and set it aside. As you wash your watercress to prep the side salad, use the rind for garnish and add lemon juice if you preferred a more citrusy taste. In a hot pan or wok, add oil. Toss in the sliced lemongrass for aromatics. If you don't want to sear your chicken, you may choose to roast it. Otherwise, you can cut the chickens into 4 pieces like I did here. Just add the chickens in and give it a few minutes in medium heat. Cover to keep the moisture in for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the cover and flip over to repeat the process. Turn down the heat, add the remaining marinade sauce, and sear for another 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Okay, so for plating, used a small bowl to compress your ketchup butter rice to shape a dome and flipped it over on a plate. Now, add your lemon chicken on the plate and drizzle with the remaining sauce. You can now serve on a side of your lemon pepper watercress salad. Now dinner is served. Garnished your rice with a little green. It could be the scallions or cilantro, should you wish to have a little garnish color on the top of your rice. Alright, that's it. So I hope you all enjoy the recipe down below and that you all like it just as much as my daughter do. And maybe, just maybe, it could be one of the family's favorite as well. So please, enjoy.